Step into a world of unparalleled elegance and opulence with Baroque interior decor. Known for its dramatic flair, intricate detailing, and grandiose appeal, this style transports you to an era where every corner of a room was a masterpiece. Ready to bring timeless sophistication into your space? Let's explore the essence of Baroque interiors. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What type of ceilings are common in Baroque interiors? Baroque ceilings often feature decorative moldings, frescoes, or intricate plasterwork, adding an architectural flourish to the room. Love dramatic ceilings? Hit like to elevate your interiors. What type of artwork suits Baroque decor? Large-scale artwork with religious, mythological, or dramatic themes is typical of Baroque interiors. Paintings are often framed in ornate gilded frames, and sculptures with dynamic poses add a three-dimensional aspect to the decor. Love classic art? Tap like to explore more ideas. What role does symmetry play in Baroque design? Symmetry is crucial in Baroque interiors, creating a sense of balance and harmony. Whether it's arranging furniture or placing decorative items, a symmetrical layout ensures the room feels cohesive and grand. Admire perfect symmetry? Hit like for timeless design tips. What role do fabrics play in Baroque decor? Rich fabrics like velvet, brocade, and silk are essential to Baroque interiors. These textiles are used for drapery, upholstery, and bed linens, creating a sumptuous and tactile environment. Layering different textures adds to the depth and richness of the space. Admire plush fabrics? Tap like to add them to your space. What flooring suits Baroque interiors? Marble flooring is a hallmark of Baroque decor, often featuring intricate inlays or patterns. Polished hardwood or mosaic tiles can also work beautifully, especially when complemented with rich, patterned rugs. Dreaming of elegant floors? Hit like to transform yours. What defines Baroque interior decor? Baroque decor is characterized by its rich textures, elaborate details, and dramatic designs. It combines luxurious materials with ornate carvings and bold, symmetrical arrangements. Every piece of furniture and decor is designed to make a statement and evoke a sense of grandeur. Love opulence? Hit like to learn more. What are the typical colors in Baroque interiors? Deep and rich hues such as burgundy, gold, emerald green, and royal blue dominate this style. These colors are complemented by metallic finishes like gold and silver, adding to the regal atmosphere. Admire bold colors? Tap like for more inspiration. How important are mirrors in Baroque interiors? Mirrors play a significant role in Baroque spaces, often framed with intricate gold leaf detailing. They not only enhance the sense of space and light, but also serve as decorative focal points, reflecting the room's grandeur. Adore reflective elegance? Hit like to incorporate mirrors. How does Baroque furniture stand out? Baroque furniture is celebrated for its intricately carved designs and luxurious finishes. Pieces often include gilded accents, plush upholstery, and curved silhouettes. These furnishings are as much about comfort as they are about creating a visual spectacle. Inspired by intricate furniture? Hit like to elevate your style. How do metallic finishes fit into Baroque decor? Gold, bronze, and silver finishes are integral to the Baroque aesthetic. Use them in furniture details, picture frames, and lighting fixtures to enhance the opulent look. Admire metallic touches? Tap like to glam up your decor. How can lighting enhance a Baroque space? Lighting is a centerpiece in Baroque decor, often featuring chandeliers with intricate crystal details or gilded candelabras. These fixtures provide warm, ambient light that enhances the overall opulence of the room while creating a dramatic effect. Adore statement lighting? Hit like to brighten your home. How can I maintain the timeless appeal of Baroque decor? Keep the space balanced by mixing Baroque elements with neutral tones or modern pieces. Regularly polish and maintain ornate details to preserve their beauty. Ready to embrace timeless elegance? Hit like to start today. How can I accessorize a Baroque space? Accessories like gilded candlesticks, porcelain vases, and detailed sculptures bring a Baroque space to life. Ornate clocks and richly textured throw pillows further enhance the luxurious atmosphere. Inspired by chic accessories, tap like to refine your decor. Can Baroque decor work in modern homes? Absolutely. Modern homes can incorporate Baroque elements like a gilded mirror, a plush armchair, or a statement chandelier. These touches blend history with contemporary styles for a unique and elegant aesthetic. Love blending styles? Tap like for creative fusion tips. Can Baroque decor be scaled down for small spaces? Yes, small spaces can still exude Baroque charm by focusing on key elements like an ornate mirror or a dramatic light fixture. Keeping the rest of the decor simple allows these statement pieces to shine without overwhelming the space. Living in a smaller space? Tap like for elegant solutions. Baroque interior decor is a celebration of art, luxury, and architectural beauty. Whether you're incorporating its grandeur into your entire home or just a single room, this style is sure to leave an impression of timeless sophistication. Happy decorating!